This is terrible. It's bad. This is so. Yeah. I can do better. Have you ever found yourself looking around at your life and thinking you are living a story that was written by somebody else? How did I get here? How do I get out? This story starts with a desk, and it changes my life.
So, how did we get here? Somewhere between adulting and existential dread, I lost track of myself and everything else. And nowadays, I look around my own space and I just feel like this isn't me. But also, who am I? Who is me? What do I like? What do I want? And then the cycle of existential dread kicks in again, and nothing gets done. So what is my plan? I don't really have one. And let's be honest, I never have. But I do know one thing. Action is the cure for inaction. So I'm going to start by doing one thing at a time. And that one thing is this desk. I got this desk when I first moved to the City of Angels and Dead Dreams, and because my apartment was beige on beige with a hint of white, I thought I'd add a bit of color, and I went with this teal. And I like it, but I don't know, I just feel like a change. And this is probably going to take me several days, and I will likely forget to film some of it, because I already did. And then who knows how long it'll take me to edit this. You're probably watching this 3 months from now. But hey, we gotta start somewhere.
Looking forward to this, actually. I want to see what I can do with this. Something, hopefully.